Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have an awesome DIY for you today. Welcome back everyone. I'm so excited to be able to sit here with you and do this DIY because I think it's very important for all of us who are campers, who are bushcrafters, who are preppers, just maybe if you're not even any of those things, you want to be able to create fire and be able to do it in the event that the lights go out or whatever. So today I want to show you a simple DIY project on how to make a fire starter. So as you can see here, you only need these items. This is a very simple DIY. You're going to need some makeup remover pads. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1. You're going to need some duct tape, some petroleum jelly, and a plastic knife. So for the first step, we're gonna just need the makeup pad removers and the knife and the petroleum jelly. Now, if you know how to make toast, you're gonna be able to do this part very simply. So what I do is I take the petroleum jelly and just kind of smooth it on, just as if you were making some butter and toast. That's basically all you have to do here for this part. Try not to be too messy because you don't want this to kind of overrun in the tape. So that's what that looks like. We're just going to fold that in half, make that into a taco. Now for this part, you're going to take just a small strip of your duct tape, and this side's the sticky side, that's the opposite side, and this is how I made mine. So you're just going to leave yourself a bit of room up at the top, lay this thing as center as you can get it because you want to be able for this to be closed all the way around, and then all you're going to do now is take this end and you're going to fold it over. I like to make sure that the lines line up on the very end over there. If you can't because of the package in the middle, then that's totally understandable. But you try to line them up as best as you can. And then I always leave a little piece right here like this, just so that I can fold that over and make a seal. Now that I have that complete, I just go all the way around and make sure that all the edges are sealed and that the cotton makeup remover is in the middle and all of the contents of the petroleum jelly is inside. Now the great thing about these fire starters, these DIY fire starters, is that they're compact. You can see how small they are in my hand. And you can make a bunch of these and keep them in your bag, right? In your haversack, or if you have a to-go bag, you can keep these stacked up. Maybe you can have, maybe 10 deep with a rubber band, and then keep them in your pack because these are very versatile and they're very compact and they're very easy to make. I mean, this is just a cheap thing. This was $1 at the Dollar Tree. The makeup remover pads were $1. That's $2 I spent. This is the Gorilla tape, so that's a little bit more expensive. But when you make these and you make several of them, they're very quick and easy to make. So let's go outside and let's test this DIY project. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me. It's been raining here in Texas a lot, and so it just started to rain when I decided to do my test. You'll probably hear Jack walking around. He's my dog, and you'll probably hear him. But this is the test for the DIY fire starter. Here we go. So as you can see, it just the duct tape alone is flammable, but because of the cotton and Vaseline inside, we should see a bigger ignite here in a minute as soon as it gets to that cotton. So let's see. So it has ignited the cotton, and the petroleum jelly is ignited also. And so you see now it's putting off a pretty big flame. Okay guys, this video is going to show you how long this fire starter takes to burn completely. So as you can see, these things burn pretty good for 6 minutes. So now if the situation is ideal, right? No rain, not too much wind, this should do really well. But maybe in the rain it might be a little difficult. I haven't tried that. I will have to try that in another video. I would also like to see if one packet can boil water. So I know that it takes my alcohol stove at least 6 to 7 minutes to boil water. I want to see in another video if one of these packets can boil water. So I hope you like this video, guys. I hope this was informative. But this is another cheap way where you can start a fire. And if you use these, it's a whole lot cheaper than using anything that you can find on the internet, and it lasts pretty long. So check it out, guys. DIY this for yourself. Try it out for yourself. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you've done this before. Have you started a fire with these petroleum packs? I'm going to call them petroleum packs. So let me know in the comments. I hope you like this video. God bless you guys. Stay strong, stay vigilant, and always be God's prepared warrior. God bless you. God's Prepared Warrior out. Hey guys, this is Fernando, God's Prepared Warrior. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.